kasa Ghana akwa ye cocaine transit Ghana aye cocaine transit but look at NAPO today because President Mahama say ono no ma Ghana enye say dimbone na ye gye under President Akufo-Addo no or wipe or pra or sweepy.
Welcome to the political rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana FM TV GH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, will be notified. Journalist be wa friend Nana Amma. AyEka Accra FM. Very beautiful lady, and very beautiful lady. But sometimes there is a difference between outward beauty and inner beauty. And the inner beauty comes with a lot of marking scheme, and I say a lot of subsections. One of them can be intelligence, respect, and all those things. Now, this lady, the reason I'm even talking about her today is because of how she went attacking the running mate of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia out here, NAPO. You see, sometimes when you watch on daily basis journalists all over the world, even here in Ghana, when you look at the likes of Bernard Avle, the likes of Paul Adomochre, the likes of which journalists can I mention? A few of them. When you look at how they carry themselves, how they present, sometimes you know very well, say, what this guy is saying, maybe Paul, what he's saying, he's being biased, he's being partisan. Sometimes you know it very well, but you cannot help but listen to him. The likes of Okatechi Afrifa. Most of the time when he say, guy, we are saying our canon, he's being biased. Like I say, he's being selective in even the topics he's choosing to speak on. But that notwithstanding, no, you cannot help but be glued to your TV set or to your phone, because when him say nyansam be wom, education be wom, that at the end of the day, no, say we are neutral, we are NDC new. There's some thought-provoking things inside there for you to pick, and then also say this is right, this is not right, this is this way, this must be this way. But some of you journalists, and we don't even know if you should call you journalists, because number one, there is no record of you people going to any journalism school. And some of you cry now, we say we call journalism schools. No, those schools are not even accredited. We call a 6-month course, say we are journalists. There be. You don't go and do a 6-month course to qualify as a journalist. Even to be a reporter, it is not about a 6-month course. Courses were sometimes 4 years, 5 years, 6 years. I'll be here. That what will qualify you to be a journalist. Who here now? Then you go and specialize. Investigative journalism.
I'm a Ghana fan. No one ever fan into my perfra. Now you can find no Casa Ghana. You can transit country. And to you, our better. One more crop on your teach you a mountain and a posse. Sir President Mahama Swak here. Our illicit trade so dear. And then Ghana done it a ye cocaine country. But Almonwa. Now Almond che. Almonwa ye timida. Sorry. Ni ya kase. Just a airport. Kotoka airport ha. Cocaine afaha. Akwa do abrochire nya asem ketwa emi etimi interdict MPP for our airport one no NAPO because na mo cover up mo kata niema so na mo ma niema MP ntino mo fa Ghana for se yagimi but essence President Mahama ne Ghana for akwa apam 120 days se bibia wo ye bia no obeye pie ama Ghana for ehunu no NAPO se da bi eno ne ye bone na mum de ye papa. And it's a President Mahama mo omuchi omunka wo manuntum Nigeria ni no amkwakwache no was oyare force hihi no o makata so cocaine track ma if you western region be ya omuchi ye no o makata so omunka mo obi ante the national security rechi Japan mo eye ya wo makosa payment ya counterfeit ya twa ye gu honu mi no o makwakohu no o makata so omunka sana na posha kwanyo Sana wa mochwe. Because I work there, not to say you are involved. Meanwhile, say President Mahama and the better counterfeiter. And this is for the better counterfeiter. And Kobepi. Counterfeit no. I hear Juma was supplement for years. For years, how many Bank of Ghana and a carbon this edumano? Bank of Ghana governor and started this. But today, I want to pass a more worker. And canapo, oh, credibility ka cra 100%. Same me rate too. And I won't be 25%. And can you Bob of flag bearer, presidential candidate 2028 Ediam MPP and KD. But even running mate to cry when you are. Okasebia kasa baller. Anytime be a NPP, ebe multi platform. Send na po, your president, your friend say, running mates. And to one Kasebiano, who a mura baller. Was spilling out baller, garbage, baller. And a Ugusuna Waka. Now, me can say, this container issue here. Napo involved. Mahama Dubik involved. Kaligajapo involved. Avena Maki involved. And I am picking up po. And I interrogating na. Kwa mama team make kasanze munu wezi. I'm on a shop crisis in a clash no crisis no. MPP for a shirt as here because President Mahama Kano opposition say MPP ba mua. And yama basa kokoso.
You want to do all those things. But some of you, just because you have the face, we are beautiful, we are curvy, we are cocoa, we are makeup, we are wig, bakumi, and somebody out society. You call yourself journalist, and some of the employers also. Some of the employers, they are only looking at outward beauty, not what the person can deliver, and they are messing the name of journalism in Ghana. Right now, no, over 100 journalists. Almost about 30-40% of them are actually going by ethics and principles. Now, what you dare speak about NAPO anyhow because of what? Because of what? What NAPO has achieved? Or you're a surgeon. NAPO was specialized medical doctor. Or you're 6 years undergrad. Actually, was specialized, and he has been an accomplished politician. He has been elected over and over to parliament to represent a group of people at the poll. And if not because he decided to take up the challenge of becoming a running mate, he will have still maintained the seat. So you don't just go on TV and go and speak anyhow just because say your mouth or TV or microphone never we need mouth say who attack it. And you see when you do some of these things, we will reply you back. We shall reply you back. Because usu unye papa sa. Unye papa sa. Na say ya hon friend po a nko for MPP mo amu hon fesin. So you don't when you sit behind the microphone say obi atimi to be misu mo microphone ni bi. We soon need boarding pa. And it's all tina microphone ichi. Na assembly bawa jumu bia o temi ki kanchere obi ana. Se ube kan obi a oye MPP ni. And I say any good citizen of this country, if you come and speak to them about them anyhow, and it's not as if you are critiquing, it is useless, senseless criticisms, attacking his personality. Madam, it won't be well with us. So please, this one, a friendly one. A friendly one, hoping say you will sit down and then you would go back into yourself, have an introspection, and then you will do the right things. Because the next time, a better pro-mass version. This has been the Political Rant with me, the voice, right on Ghana SMTVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. Then bye-bye, cheers. See you in the next one.